Guys, Thomas here for another video, and today what I will do, what I made today is the trap for the birds. I heard that in this area is that there is a lot of birds, wild birds, hawks, passing this way. So what I made is a really simple trap for them. So what I made is I bent this sapling down, then I attached the sapling to these sticks, which look like they have the hook on the end of them. They are the same size, and then what I made is this trigger system. So I put another stick there. I don't want you to stuck in, to get trapped. So then I put a smaller stick over here, which is attached to this rope. You need to have a good durability rope. Then I put a trigger here, so the bird will come to eat this bite. He will release this trigger, and then this will go around this stick, and the sapling will pull the bird up, and that's all for it's a very simple trap.